Today in this video, I'll be showing you how to make a homemade ice pack. But first, you'll need one slider bag or 1 gallon plastic freezer bag. It depends how big you want it. 2 cups of water and 1 cup of rubbing alcohol or dish soap. Now open your bag, and I'm using a sandwich bag which broke at the end, so don't use a sandwich bag. And fill it with the water and soap. And try to get as much air out as the bag as possible before sealing it off. Now you want to take your ice pack and put it in another bag to contain any leakage. I ran out of bags, so I tried to cover up with clear plastic wrap and paper towels, and it didn't go so well. Now, after you put your ice pack in another bag, place it in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. Times may vary according to temperature. And while we're waiting for it to freeze, we'll click that like button, also click the subscribe button. Whenever it looks kind of like a slushie, take it out the freezer and place a towel between your bare skin and the ice pack to avoid burning of the skin. If you want to see the website I use, click the link in the description below. Also, I want to thank my cousin for recording the first part of the video and for putting the ice pack on his leg.